Hello guys, what's up? How on a day now? Hi they be. Okay, now your girl Joy. I don't come again with a little question within my mouth. Now me I say make I can ask on her because everybody know go know everything, you understand? So forget about this hair tie while I tie you. I don't know, this hair tie don't they give me tough time. This cap. Some people they will just put the cap for head, the thing go feed them, but my own will come look different. Okay, wetin carry me come now? A question concerning hot and also alcohol for a pregnant woman. Want to say, is it okay to drink hot for a pregnant woman to drink hot or alcohol? You understand? So make I tie this by cap very well so that I will
Nice to
begin the
see you.
question.
Oh,
See you.
okay. I feel manage am like this. If you like, laugh. Don't consign you, no consign me.